Hey, what's up, my lovely people? Welcome to another in the episode of many things. And we're just going to call it Jamaica is not a real place. Yeah, so if this is the first time you're joining us and you've never seen an episode, go check out some of the episodes them before they were one year. But guess what? This is going to be fire. You're going to enjoy this one. So we've had a lot of rains recently, and once you've been living in Jamaica, we barely escape a hurricane. But guess what? I have things to lighten your day. If you haven't been seeing sunshine for a while, check this out.
Number 5.
Alright, so sometimes you really want to get home. Like after a hard day of work and you're stressed out and your boss has stressed you and you have to get home, go feed your dog them. But no matter how much you need for go home, don't do what that guy here do. Just don't do it. And why this even enter on Jamaica is not a real place is because only Jamaicans alone me do them thing here, Them may I say foolishness. Them foolishness.
Number 4.
Sometimes you wash your Sunday's best, and when you're done wash the Sunday's best, you're looking at the back, or you look down into the barrel, or you look down into the hamper, and you realize that more clothes leave. But you don't know if you want to put out them one day. But guess what? You look and you realize that your neighbor not around, and you really, might as well just hang them out too.
Number 3.
Well, we say it already and we're going to say it again. Jamaica is not a real place. So you imagine you're running at the bus. I try to make sure you don't get wet up. And when you get in at the bus, you realize you need to warm back your umbrella because you still get wet. Well, the lady, it happened to her. Number 2. Alright, so you see the next video here, I just going to call it Giving a Helping Hand. And this roster was giving a helping hand. So if you're not Jamaican, you really wouldn't know what is wrong with this particular thing, But if you're Jamaican, you're going to know. If you have any Caribbean person around you and you're not from Jamaica, just ask them, say, take a look at this video and tell me what's wrong with it. Alright, so. And the number 1 video of this trending week is number 1. Alright, so sometimes you're there and a dance and a play day and you just start to enjoy yourself and you really don't know what to do. You're just nice because peer come. Well, in this video, it look like peer come for them youth because the only time me dance them ways are when peer come. So, I'm going to say it's peer come. So, take a look on that video. It's our number 1 video of this week. So, okay guys, that has been our Jamaica's Not a Real Place episode for this week. I hope you enjoyed it, I hope you like it, and if you like it, just drop a subscribe on the channel, make the channel grow, because the thing going to get better, going to get better. And guess what guys, I am going to be back on camera in our next episode. I'm not on a camera, so if you don't want to donate it, I can't donate it, my camera mash up. But anyway, don't worry about that. Things going on, man, and it's going to work out. So subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you like the video, and if you don't like the video, still give me a thumbs up. I want it same way. Alright, and thank you for watching guys, and thank you for subscribing.